So you'll start with both of your place cuts set up nearby but far enough apart when they're tied down so the dogs can't reach each other. Start with one dog and do some training. Yep. So she'll get marked for being on, eat off, I'll wait for her to offer to eat back on. Yep. Yep. I can alternate with feeding on there for her. Wait and see if she offers anything else. Yep. 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 Just get her comfortable and happy with some regular mat training. Yep. Once I feel she's all warmed up with hers, I'm going to send her on there and place her in a tie down. And then what I'll do is I'll get my second dog out on a leash so that they aren't competing for attention. All right, Mila, go place. Good. All right, stay there, babe. The second dog will come out on leash. Yep. At first he'll just get cookies for paying attention. Yep. Mila, place. Go place. Try to send her back up. Toss her a cookie. Super. Now I'm going to play the same game with Lark. Yep. The only reason he's on a leash is so that he doesn't go bother her. Yep. Yep. Place. Good. Now she's also doing it, so I'm going to toss her some cookies, give him another one, and I'm going to take his leash and switch him to a tie down. Both dogs are on their tie down, so what I can do is walk back and forth and feed them, and they can make mistakes, that's okay. Go place. They can't actually get to each other to play, and they can just get used to going back and forth. Everyone's just relaxing, no big deal. If I wanted to take her off and do some other training with her, I'd pop her on the leash. Let her up so she can't bother him. And then with the leash, I can gently stop her from getting to her brother. Yep. And I can do some reinforcement for focus here. Yep. Practice getting on the place. Yep. Good. I could give them both bully sticks at this point or some sort of activity. All right, another thing we can do to control multiple dogs and start working on being around each other is to put an X pen up so that they can't physically get to each other. And then what I can do is practice Lark, labeling cookies, Mila, and handing them to the correct dog. Mila, Lark. Okay, there's two of you. You could each be on one side. Sit. Good. They can both get cookies for doing it on either side of their fence. Clear. Good boy. Free. You can work on whatever behaviors you wanted. Spin.